Are you looking for the best mirror dash cam reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best mirror dash cam reviews. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dashcam from Wolfbox at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam Backup Camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dashcam setups. This unit offers up to 1296p resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam Backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5D curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam Backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS, loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. Set includes a 12 inches digital display, up to 1296p video capture resolution, backed by 1-year warranty. Display has an IPS panel, high video capture resolution, comes with a 32GB SD card, GPS functionality included. Comparatively expensive than a few other options. Upgraded stunning 4K UHD, with the front cam's resolution upgrading to 2160p from 1296p as of December 1, 2022, this G840S rear view mirror camera can record you 4K front images and 1080p rear images. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than an ordinary rear view mirror, which has significantly reduced rear view blind spots. Number 2. Jansite Mirror Dashcam. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dashcam system, check out this option from Jansite. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the Jansite Mirror Dashcam set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard FHD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR/HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Jansite Mirror Dashcam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 feet long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The Jansite Mirror Dashcam is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the Jansite Mirror Dashcam is backed by a year of warranty. Set includes a 10 inches digital display, up to 1080p video capture resolution, backed by 1-year warranty. Super night vision feature. SD card is not included in the set. Number 3. PORMIDO Mirror Dashcam. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dashcam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from PORMIDO ensures that with the high-quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dashcam setups is the PORMIDO Mirror Dashcam set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium and features that you would want in your dashcam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the PORMIDO Mirror Dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296p, which is a bit higher than the standard 1080p resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33 feet long connection cable for ease of installation. Set includes a 12 inches digital display. Up to 1296p video capture resolution. Backed by 1-year warranty. WDR supported camera lens. Warranty period should have been longer. 1 2-inch larger IPS full screen upgraded from most rearview mirror cameras. PORMIDO 12-inch square rear-view mirror provides you an ultra-wide view of what's behind, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving/reversing. With Smart Screen Split function, you can observe dual lens display simultaneously. Dual Sony sensor lens for higher resolution adopted Sony sensor and WDR technology. You can get sharper DVR images from both front and rear dashcams in higher resolution at 1296p, especially brings you a starlight night vision low light from other cars' headlights. Unique shaped back camera with longer extension cable. The packaged 33-foot rear camera connecting cable fits various sizes of cars, such as SUV, pickups, camper, vans, sedans, and minivans. The smaller reverse camera can hide better on your car tail. Number 4. Kingslim Mirror Dashcam. If you are looking for the best recording resolution cameras for your mirror dashcam set, the following option from Kingslim will be the best pick for you. Apart from high recording resolution, it also offers many additional features that you will like. The Kingslim DL12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dashcam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4K resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dashcam system. And it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4K resolution and the rear at 1080p, or you can use both cameras at 1440p resolution simultaneously for even performance. While the display offers touchscreen functionality to control the cameras, you probably won't have to use it since it also supports voice commands. You can simply ask the camera to start/stop the recording, change camera angles, and perform other functions. There is also a GPS module integrated into the Kingslim DL12 Pro that saves the location information, which can be really helpful while you are reviewing the footage. These cameras also feature an f/1.8 aperture Sony sensor that enables super night vision support in WDR technology. Set includes a 12 inches digital display. Up to 4K video capture resolution. Backed by 2-year warranty. WDR recording technology. Short warranty period despite premium price range. Number 5. Volway Mirror Dashcam. There are also a few brands in the market that introduce high-quality cameras in the mirror dashcam setups within an affordable range. The following example from Valway is a great example of such a product. The Valway Mirror Dashcam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dashcams that offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. It offers up to 1440p resolution video recording, which is displayed on the 10 inches wide touchscreen digital display. This display also features an IPS display panel, which is great to have at this price range. It offers a wide range of color production with color accuracy and expanded viewing angles. Apart from the touch controls, the Volway Mirror Dashcam also features direct voice command support that you will find really helpful while you are driving. As for the viewing angles, the Volway Mirror Dashcam offers up to 170-degree capture angle on the front and up to 160-degree capture angle on the rear camera. This does not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease. The best feature of the Volway Mirror Dashcam is its Starlight Night Vision functionality powered by Sony's StarVis camera sensor. Set includes a 10 inches digital display. Up to 1440p video capture resolution. Backed by 1-year warranty. Starlight Night Vision support. SD card is not included in the set.